Thank you, sir. That was very inspiring and motivating, not just for freshers, but for all of us also. With that, we have a couple of talks. So I will see the sequence so that you can pass on the mic, keeping an eye on the watch. So I'll give you 2 to 5 minutes each. Dean R&D, Professor Jawahar, followed by our Dean Academics could not be here today. So I would like Professor Kishore Kottapalli. Then followed by, Registrar. Then maybe they can pass it on. Then co-chair, Professor P.K. Reddy. And medical warden, Professor Prabhakar. So before Jawahar, maybe we'll ask Madhav to say a few words. Welcome.
So unfortunately, I would have to leave in, say, 20 minutes from now. But in case there are some very serious questions on ECE program per se, you could send an email to me in case I'm not there by the end of this session. And the Dean Academics also, you could always contact her on the ECE program per se.
So after Professor Prabhakar, I would like Professor Deepti Mishra Sharma to wind up before the last part of the welcome session would be by students, Student Parliament, APEX students. Okay, with that, I will ask Jawahar to start. Yes.
Okay, so my clock starts now. Okay, good to see smiling, energetic faces. And Professor PJ already mentioned about how IIIT injects the research into you. And looks like your people haven't had water from the hostel. By tomorrow, it will be run. Okay, so I'm sure that you will be worried about what is this research and how do I do? This is a worry that people who want to do research will start thinking like, we don't know that at this age, how do I do? So I'll ask you a very simple question that, okay, look, when you study more and more, like we all knew how to add 1 + 1 long back, and now there is no thrill in doing that. So when you learn more and more, at some stage you should start thinking that, what about if you change the side? So you know more than the teacher. Think of a situation, you know more than the teacher. What happens? Just imagine. You're sat in classes for ages now. So assume you realize that, okay, you know more than the teacher. What happens there? It's shocking for you to be in a classroom like that. Now think of something like, okay, now you know more than the teacher, maybe why not more than anybody else in the world? You may say, how is it possible? So now, rather than thinking very broad in, you know everything better than everything others in the world, maybe you know something better than others. We all have our own special skills, our own specialties. Maybe you know how to sing certain song better than anybody else in the world. Or you know how to play certain games better than anybody else in the world. Or to take certain shots better than others in the world. Then you start seeing that, okay, there is a chance I can do that. So similarly, we all have that type of skills. And sometimes we believe that we don't have that and we are only listeners, we are only followers, type of things. You can be leaders of your own niche area tomorrow. And that is what research from one side. So you look at world from a very different angle rather than look at textbooks and study the way we have been trained. Which we all do and you will do in your life, whether you understand it research or not at this stage. As we move forward, we slowly change the sides. So you are no longer going to be sitting in the classroom and listening very obediently, taking notes and by hearting and writing exams. So this is a type of change that you slowly see in your life, and that is what the training in research slowly enables you. And as time, say over years, you will see how you can do, and we'll all help you in making you capable of doing it. You don't have to worry about it. So IIIT has a very strong research history, ecosystem, and a lot of environmental factors set right to make that happen. And that is what will be exposed to you over the next few years. So I'll make my words short and hand over the mic to Kishore.
Okay, so as Radhika mentioned, I am speaking on behalf of Dean Academics who could not be here today. So once again, welcome you all. You look pretty happy, and and in your in making all this work through the day, you should also thank the people from UG2 who kind of helped you, go through the processes and right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so. Quickly, I'll just mention, the kind of academic programs you will get into, as Professor Pijan mentioned already. So, I just wanted to point out that our academic curriculum, it is structured in such a way that it gives you all the 3 C's that Professor Pijan is mentioning, right? So, to take care of your competency in whatever program you do, right? Either it is electronics or computer science, or computational science, or any other thing that you do. And it also makes you creative, right? Instead of just trying to do the same thing over and over again, right? You will become leaders in the small sub area that you pick, right? That's our intention. And also, more importantly, the caring aspect as well. Through various means, we try to inculcate the 3rd C as well. So at the end of your program, you will actually have all these qualities. That's our wish and hope, actually. Okay. Now that means that our curriculum actually gives you a lot of choices right from your 4th semester, right? And one way to use the choice is not to ask your next door friend, or who sits next to you in your class, or some senior in 1 year above you or whatever, but you actually think for yourself, what is the best thing that you want to do? Do I want to do this course or that course? What gives me more happiness? Where is my interest really in? So if you do such kind of thinking, then you will actually enjoy the process much more, and you will only have yourself to actually bank upon, right? You develop your skills, your interests, and also your world view, actually, right? So I like these kind of things, so I should do more of these, actually. So that's how you should use the freedom, and of course it also comes with responsibility. Not we have to reiterate that often, but right. So anyway, so you will have another session tomorrow where we'll take more questions and other aspects. So yeah, more questions, you can always take it up at some other time as well. So welcome you again to IIIT Hyderabad. I hope you'll all do very well, and yeah.
So dear IIIT students, I welcome you all. And yeah, so as I said, I am registrar here and I head all the offices. So in one of the sessions in your induction program, I'll introduce you to you all the offices. So I cut short my speech, and once again, all the best.
Yeah. So actually, after clearing your entrance, many of you might have celebrated the achievement, and I congratulate all the students and parents for achieving a rank to enter this institute. So next 4 years going to shape your life. So this is the critical period of your life which should be used to develop your career. Anyway, after entering here, you get a BTech degree. Definitely you are going to get a BTech degree. The question now here is that just you attend the courses, get the grade, somehow you pass and get the job, or you are going to exploit everything that is available at IIIT. All the professors, their expertise, and multiple courses, and enrich yourself so that it can be used to shape your future. And also, India is facing multiple problems now. I hope several of you know. Yeah, India is facing several problems, including water crisis, climate change crisis, all kinds of development problems. You are the young generation. I think some of the technologies I wish that you should develop to resolve India's problems. So we are also doing some work in this area. So you get every kind of faculty here. Some are working on social problems, some are working advanced research problems, and a different kind of faculty. Please go to their websites and find out what they are doing, and trying to see in which area you are going to get happiness, in what way you have to shape, you have to mold your career, which will bring you happiness. Many of our faculty spent 5 to 10 years abroad, came back to India and working here. It is giving them happiness here. Similarly, you should find out what kind of career that will bring you happiness. I don't think you are going to face what our director said, you are going to face a food problem or some other problem in future. Anyway, so that kind of salary you are going to earn. But I wish that you decide what kind of career. You can see Satya Nadella, and there are different kind of ideologues you can see. You observe their life and decide what kind of career you want to build in these 4 years, which will bring you happiness. I leave it to you. So that's why our PG and our director said that everybody is different. So everybody's happiness will be different. So in this way, everybody should shape his own future, her own future in a unique manner. That's what is for IIIT. I hope you will exploit IIIT to the maximum extent and build your future. So actually I came here to speak to you on behalf of Chair Council of Wardens. As a Chair Council of Wardens, we are in charge of hostels. Most of your time either you spent in hostel or in the lab. So we are here to provide a good environment for your study. The hostel is a place you read, you spend your nights and take rest and talk to others. So we observed all the requirements, build hostels, and so overall that is the objective of the hostel. So again, I request you to go through rules and regulations in the website. Even parents also. I don't want that as a warden, you violate any of the hostel rules. Don't violate any of the hostel rule. That's my humble request. So we take seriously violation of hostel rules, everything else, because it creates inconvenience to other students, not only you. Because this kind of disturbance we don't tolerate. So that is a simple, tough message I want to give you. But otherwise, we are very friendly. Whatever the problem you are facing, just report to us. And we are here to create a conducive environment for study. Study is the first priority. Also, you can form your relationship with seniors, juniors. We want you to make as many friends as possible. That's why we are putting all 3 batches in the same hostel. So to exploit this kind of environment, form the friends, and collaborate your research work and discuss new ideas, and even there are different clubs you can exploit. So here actually all of you are put in Bakul hostel. The male students, the boys are put into Bakul hostel and girls are put into Parijat hostel. So I am the chair of Council of Wardens. Actually in each hostel we have a chief warden. Dr. Prabhakar is the chief warden. Bakul, yeah, chief warden of Bakul. So every hostel is the chief warden. Also Dr. Prasad Krishnan, he might not be here. He is the warden of that hostel. And our caretaker, can you just stand up? Just Banu Pratap Sharma. If you inform him, it is equivalent to inform to the director, whatever the problem. So we take that seriously. Just whatever the problem you have, just inform him. Okay? It will be resolved almost, because he daily reports to our manager, hostel admin, Krishna Kishore. He is a supervisor of all the hostels. Okay, so that's what for boys hostel. Regarding Parijat hostel, where girl students are put up, Asha Nambudri madam is the chief warden. She is not here. And of the D Kavita. Kavita is here, I can just stand. So any problem, please report to her. Okay, it will immediately come to me and everybody. So we are taking this very seriously. So what? Yeah, I'm coming to that. And your warden, Dr. Sheikh Rehana madam, just stand up madam. So she is the warden. Chief warden is not here. So chief warden and warden. So and caretaker, they take care of girls hostel. All kinds of problems you can bring to them. So yeah, so regarding parents, so sir, your two parents. So don't worry about your children. Your children are our children. So we we treat like that. At the same time, we also, put them into discipline, because when I say we see your children as our children, when our children make mistake, we also punish them. So both will go together. It is not that we just leave them just like that. But again, to the parents and new students, even old students also, IIIT is the center of the Hyderabad. Outside gate, it is a happening place. There are several hotels, traffic jams. You should be very careful while going outside the gate. Even accidents might happen. So don't go outside unless necessary. Okay, be in the IIIT, enjoy the hostels. You can go outside, but be careful. Yeah, canteen. There is, I think, various kinds of systems, very vibrant systems, managed by students itself. Actually, you will come to know. They have been built. Get the feedback. We have got 4 messes. Even you have been put into the one mixed mess. But after 1 month, you are allowed to return into any mess and eat. One is mixed mess, South Indian mess, North Indian mess, there's the Yuktahar. So then there's feedback, students manage. The vibrant systems are being built. I think they are going to be introduced in due course. So we have built a vibrant IIIT, university. So don't go outside. And also, people go during the night. So that director said that, because I'm a council warden, so he says that you can go at any time. You can go at any time, if only if required. It is not that we can go any time, because night you go, it is not that safe actually. Outside IIIT is not safe to move at any time. Safe on various aspects. Even accidents may happen, that's what also. And other things are also happening. So that's my humble request as a warden, as a council of warden. Please avoid going outside unless required. Okay? At least for next 1 year, don't go outside first years. So, okay. Again, parents also, I am requesting, please watch your, just keep in touch with your ward and ensure that, he is, watched kind of thing. So the point is that, it is very easy to deviate. I'm just putting forward. Because you just complete intermediate, you are in a tight room mode actually, because the liberty is curtailed completely. Here, our director says that anything can go at any side. You are completely free. You don't know how to use this freedom. I'm just putting forward. You don't know how to use your freedom. That's why just wait for one more year. You learn. You learn. So suddenly you just won. So I am concluding. So the point is that, so please, follow my words and happy, enjoy, be happy, learn more and shape your future. Thank you. Thank you very much.